Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to view your subscribers list. So let's get into it. First of all, open your web browser and search youtube.com. Make sure you are signed in to your account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. You will be taken to the YouTube Studio dashboard, where you can see an overview of your channel's performance. If you scroll down, you will find the recent subscribers card. Click on See All to view a detailed list of your subscribers who have made their subscriptions public. Here, you will see a list of your recent subscribers, including their usernames, subscription dates, and subscriber counts. Remember, only subscribers who have made their subscription public will be appear on this list. You can check this list by selecting specific time period or lifetime. And that's it. This is how you can view your subscribers list. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.